Welcome to the GSDSolutions channel. Today, we're going to talk about Microsoft Copilot and two powerful ways to use it every day: work mode and web mode. Don't worry, we'll keep things simple and easy to follow. Think of Copilot as your digital assistant, always ready to help you save time, get ideas, and work smarter. Let's start with work mode. You'll see Copilot in work mode inside your Microsoft tools like Outlook, Word, Excel, and Teams. When you're working in these apps, Copilot is already there, ready to assist you. This mode is designed to help with your day to day work. You can ask Copilot to summarize emails, help you write a document, prepare a meeting agenda, or organize information, all directly inside your work environment. Now, let's talk about web mode. Web mode is much simpler to access. You just open your web browser, search for Copilot, and start asking questions. Here, you can ask Copilot anything you'd normally search online: ideas, explanation, trends, or general information. There's no setup needed. You just type your question and get an answer. So, here's the key idea. If you're inside your Microsoft Work apps, you're using work mode. If you're searching or exploring information online, you're using web mode. Two modes, one assistant, both designed to make things easier. You don't need to be technical or an expert. Just ask and Copilot helps you move forward. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tech tips from GSD Solutions.